Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be talking about a very important step in data processing called outlier detection. When you outlier detection, we're going to be going over outlier detection with Z-score. At the end of this tutorial, we will be able to use the outlier, you will be able to use Z-score to detect outliers, and after that, we're going to create our own personal function to detect outliers with Z-score. Okay guys, before going further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more coding and programming videos. Without further ado guys, let's go. As we all know, bad data results in creating bad models, and these our outliers are really bad data, so we don't really want to fit it with our model. That's why we're going to be using this Z-score method. This Z-score method is really easy. It's just the data minus the mean of the column divided by the standard deviation. Okay, the first step we're going to do, we're going to import pandas as pd to read our data set. Okay, after importing pandas, we'll be using we'll be using the fish data set, which I will place in the link in the description below, which will lead to my GitHub account, so you can easily download the data set. Okay, we're going to be reading our data set. We're going to store it in the variable df csv, simply a fish data set. Okay, let me run this. Let me check the head of our data set. Okay, you see here, these are the columns in our data set: the weight, the length. We have a total of 3 lengths here, the height and the width. Okay, so let's say we want to detect outliers in this our weight column with the Z-score method. To do this, first of all, we have to get the mean and standard deviation of this our weight column. To do that, we simply store it in a variable mean, which will be equal to df weight. Since we want to check for outliers in this our weight column, okay, this will give us the mean. Then the standard deviation also follow same step. Okay, the weight column dot std. Okay, this will give us our mean and our standard deviation. Oh, what happened? Okay, we're to turn this to an alpha case. Okay, then the next step now will be to detect our outliers using our Z-score method. First, to do this, we have to create an empty list to store our outlier. Then we create a for loop. We're going to call this for data in our column, which we want to find outliers. For data in weight column, we want to calculate the Z-score of each of the value. The Z-score should be equal to, as I said before, my data, each of the value in this our weight column, minus the mean of the column divided by standard deviation. Okay, then we're going to check if the Z-score, and notice any Z-score that is greater than 3, any Z-score that is greater than 3 is an upper outlier, while those ones that are less than 3, okay, we will also check Z-score that are less than -3 are the lower outliers. Okay, if our code come across this Z-score, we want it to append these data to our empty list. Okay, to append this data. Okay, when I run this now, and I print out our outliers, you can see here, wow, you see here, these are outliers 160, 1550 and 1650. These are outliers in this our column. So that's how you do it in that's how you use the z-score in Python. So now let's actually create a function. So we don't really have to start typing this code over and over again. So anytime you just want to get your outliers in your data set, you just simply import the function. Okay, to do this, we have to follow the same method. First, we have to create our function. I'm going to call this outlier detector. Okay, and this our outlier detector is going to be accepting just two parameters, the data frame and the column, which we want to access we want to check if there is outlier. Okay, then the next step now is to get the mean and the std. Okay, the mean as usual will be our data frame, our column dot mean. Okay, well, our standard deviation will be our column dot std. Okay, after getting this, we follow the same step. Okay, we then create an empty list. Okay, say for data in df, sorry, hold on. We create our z-score as usual for each of the value. Z-score should be our data, each of our data minus the mean divided by the standard deviation. And we check if the z-score is greater than 3, it's an upper outlier, or the z-score is less than -3, that is a lower outlier. Okay, then we append, you can say outlier dot append outliers dot append data. Then we want our function to return our outliers. Okay, and I want this now. Let me check if our function will outlier. Let's call it now outlier detector. Okay, very nice function. It's our data frame df, then our column's name, which we want to check. Let's try our weight again. Okay, and I want this now. Wow, you see here, it just our outlier immediately. Let's check for another column. Let's check if there is outlier in the next column. Okay, let's check in this length 1. Okay, and I want this, you see here, I have just one outlier in this. My length column, which is 59. Let me check for the second length. Okay, just one outlier to 63. Okay, let me check for the third length, 68. Okay, let me check the width, if there's outlier there. Width. Okay, width. And this, oh, there's no outlier in our width, that's why it returns an empty list. So that's how you detect outliers in Python using the z-score. Well, the important thing about the z-score is that it mainly works for data that follow a normal distribution. For data that doesn't follow a normal distribution, it becomes a problem. That's where another method of detecting outlier comes into play, the interquartile range IQR. I will be uploading video on that. Don't forget to check it out in the description below. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more coding and programming videos.